for this next edition of Sewing at Home, we're going to learn how to turn on your machine and thread it. So, you're going to need a sewing machine. You're going to need some fabric. You're going to need some thread. And your machine probably comes with your bobbin and some little scissors, possibly a little screwdriver. Okay, for this first part, let's learn how to prep the bobbin. This is the bobbin. It goes underneath, but first we have to wind a thread on it. So, this is the thread we're going to use. We're going to stick it right on that in the back. You want to move whatever good luck charms you have on there for the moment. And what we're going to do, take the end of the thread, wrap it around this little post right here. That way, and then back this way. Now, I'm going to make sure the end isn't frayed. So I clip that little bit off. And I think the easiest way to thread it is to go from the inside to the outside, like that. From the inside to the outside. And then it's on the top, through there, and you put it on there. And then you engage it. You keep your hand on this part, holding it the whole time. Oh, then you have to make sure your machine's on. You gotta plug it in, start her up. And it'll go. Hold this, hold it real tight. Eventually it'll just pop off. It's winding pretty evenly. Hold this too so it doesn't fly everywhere. Alright, this next bit can be tricky though. So you want to take this bobbin case, which comes from under here, and you want to stick the bobbin, slides right in. Then this loose end of the bobbin, I'm going to find the notch. There's a notch right there in the bobbin case. Boom. And you slide this through until it clicks over there. So before we stick the bobbin in, I want to make sure that the needle is up. And then go inside and you can see where the bobbin case fits right along this notch up here. There's a little notch in the bobbin case that fits right in there. And you'll hear it click. Close that cover, and we're going to put some thread on top, whatever thread you want. Unwind it, and we'll do it from a couple different angles because there's a little clip in the back. And you want to guide this along the channel on top. Along there, comes underneath this hook, around this hook, and then down underneath. Okay, now this is from the back this time. Thread on there, pull it through the clip, pull it over the top of this channel, and down. From the front, looks like this. Down, up. For this last part, go around this little hook right there. Boom. And take the end of it, make sure it's not frayed. Go right through. So before you can thread the needle, you gotta make sure there's needle in there. So it only fits up in there one way, and there's a channel down the front of the needle. You'll be able to see it. In the back, it's easier to tell because it's flat up at the shank. There's a round side, and there's a flat side. So go ahead and figure out which way it fits up in there. And finger tighten this little set screw. And then this is where you may need a screwdriver to finish the job. All right, now after you've got your top thread all threaded and your bobbin thread tucked down there with the rest of the broken needle shards and lint pieces, we want to pull the bobbin thread up with this top thread. So what we're gonna do is slowly turn the crank as we hold on to this. Just give it a little bit of tension. I'm not really pulling it, but I'm not letting it loose. And just one time around, and there it comes up. And you just pull it out. Okay, now that both your threads are up top, you want to find the little lever in the back. It's the presser foot lever, and pull it up. Then you can take those threads, put them underneath the presser foot, and towards the back. Now you can slide your material underneath the presser foot, and then make sure to put it back down before you stomp on the gas. And then, when you're ready to be done with your seam, turn the wheel towards you till the needle's at the top. And then pull the presser foot back up, slide your material out, and if you're lucky, there'll be a little knife on the back that can help you chop it off. Well, thanks for joining me, and I hope this video helps you learn to use your machine. Even though it's probably different, it's probably a lot the same.